Hey guys, and what's up TFS? It's your girl Funsize and I'm back with another fun creation. So recently my business Funsize Photography partnered up with a photography service that gives my clients that extra fantastic shopping experience that I was looking for. I attended an event and of course fell in love with some photos, so you know what I'm thinking, right? What better way to try out my own service than to try it out firsthand? So my first order was a small order, but I ordered a button. And let's just say that I'm super excited with this delivery. FYI for future sales, if you're ordering for a special occasion, I recommend checking the box off for wrapping. We offer pretty wrapping as a bonus, and we now offer buttons and wall magnets, so you guys have to come check me out. Again, TFS, this is my first order, and the quality is everything. I did a size test with a perfume bottle for comparison. The wrapping is easy to remove. As you guys saw earlier, I used a razor to cut along the sides for an easy removable situation. But my next order was an 11 by 14 of my favorite creator. Her info can be found down below. But again, TFS, check out this quality if you will. This is what our metallic print finish will look like. And shootproof, you had me at photography. If you guys are already not subscribed, all I'm saying is, what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching, and tell me what you think of my new products down below. Later for now, guys, and remember, learn to love yourself before trying to learn to love anyone else.